Hi friends, today we are discussing about angle modulation detectors. Basic detection of FM signal. In order to detect an FM signal, it is necessary to have a circuit which should give us back the modulating signal from the FM modulated wave. So this circuit should be one whose output voltage varies linearly with the frequency of the input signal. So slope detector is very basic form of such circuit that we can use demodulating FM signal. So this is the block diagram of slope detector. We can find that we got two main block. One is frequency selective network followed by an AM detector. So input to the slope detector is an FM modulated wave that goes to frequency selective network, and output of the frequency selective network is an amplitude modulated FM. So it is a mixture of AM and FM which we provide as an input to AM detector, and we can find that output is going to be a modulating signal. Next, we can see the circuit for a simple slope detector. As we have seen in the block, we can find that we have a frequency selective network and followed by an AM detector. So this is the simple dye detector using for detecting AM signal, and this is the tuned circuit we should call as frequency selective network. So the input provided to this is a frequency modulated input, and here we have a tan circuit and just made by using the secondary of transformer and capacitor. So this tan circuit to be tuned so that the resonant frequency of the tan circuit at 0, and it is denoted by F naught. So the resonant frequency is greater than the incoming signal frequency. Here Fc is input signal frequency and F0 is the resonant frequency of tuned circuit. That is the resonant frequency of this frequency selective network of the tan circuit is greater than the incoming carrier signal frequency. So that explained with the help of a waveform, we can find that the output what we obtain from this. So the output of the frequency selective network is going to be a mixture of AM and FM. So we'll get the output as a modulating signal. By fixing F0 is greater than Fc, we can tune the slope detector to receive signals on the slope of the response curve of a tuned circuit, and this is the reason why we call this circuit as a slope detector. So this is the waveform of the response curve for explain the working of a simple slope detector. So now what we seen here is a response curve of a tuned circuit in the slope detector. We can find that F0 is the resonant frequency of tuned circuit. That is F0 is the tuned circuit give the maximum output voltage. So we can choose F0 is greater than Fc, incoming carrier signal frequency. Here x-axis is the increasing direction of frequency and y-axis is output voltage. So in frequency modulation, frequency of the carrier signal is varying with respect to instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signal. So in FM modulated wave, we can find that there are frequency variation or frequency deviation. So that frequency variation is we can see here mention Fc plus Fd. So frequency can varying from Fc is a carrier frequency according to the strength of modulating signal. Sometimes this frequency increases Sometimes the frequency is decreases from the resting frequency. So the maximum deviation is shown by Fd. So we can go up to maximum Fc plus Fd, or we can going up to either side is Fc minus Fd. So this is called a deviation. So what we find here is F0 is greater than Fc for the incoming signal of frequency Fc. We can find this is the output voltage at output frequency selecting network. So this is a particular circuit giving an output which is actually a mixture of AM and FM. So you can just see that from this carrier signal in the FM modulated wave, the carrier signal in the FM modulated wave, we can find that output is something like this. So the output strength is this. Now the frequency increases. The frequency increases. The output voltage is also increases. Now the frequency increases here. So the output voltage is also increases. It is coming up to this. We can find this is the maximum output voltage. Again we can find that from Fc. Then from Fc, this point carrier frequency, it begin to decrease. It begin to here this decrease. Suppose the frequency goes below Fc. In that case, so here Fc, then the frequency below Fc. So this point, the strength of the signal is also decreases. Here it is also decreases from the resting frequency. Accordingly, there will be an amplitude variations in the frequency modulated wave. So the input wave give to the frequency selective network is an FM modulated wave, but the output what we get from an frequency selective network of tuned circuit is an FM wave with amplitude modulation. So this is what we get output of frequency selective network. So this is output is actually AM plus FM signal. If we give a circuit like this or input like this to the AM detector, we easily recover this envelope and the modulating signal is separated from the FM modulating wave. So this is the method by which the slope detector detects FM modulating wave. Now since it operating on the slope of the curve, it's operating on the slope of the curve, so it's called the circuit called slope detector.